Today I'll teach you guys if you guys can remove Gmail calendar from iPhone, which means how to unsync your Gmail from your iPhone calendar. For that, you need to go inside your phone setting. From inside your phone settings, scroll a bit down and click on where it says calendar. Once you're inside calendar, click on where it says accounts. From inside accounts, you want to choose Gmail. Now once you're inside Gmail, you will see the option called calendar. Click on it and turn it off. Once this is off, it is going to show you this at the bottom. From over here, click on where it says delete from my iPhone. Once you click delete from my iPhone, it is done. Your Gmail calendar will now be removed from iPhone. And remember, it's only going to be removed from your iPhone. None of the event and all the stuff which you had set up is going to be deleted. It is still going to be available in your Gmail. If you sync it in the future, it's going to be shown to you again. That's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future calendar related videos like this. If you have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.